Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can make a photo dump on TikTok. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to make a photo dump on TikTok, what you'll need to do is you'll need to download a third-party application. For that, open up your Play Store and on the search box you need to type in Capcut. You'll need to install this video editing application. So click on install. After you're done installing this application, click on open. Now you'll need to allow all of these necessary permissions. Go on tapping on accept. Now you'll be taken to this kind of interface. You need to click on new project. So as you click on new project, next interface, you'll be able to see all the photos and videos stored on your gallery. Now since you're making a photo dump, so click on photos. So then select the photos. Once you're done selecting the photos, click on add. As you can see that the photos has been selected. Now you'll need to add an audio. So for that, click on audio, which is right at the bottom. Once you click on sound, you'll be able to see a list of options, and it might also ask you to sign in with TikTok. It is not necessary that you have to sign in, so you can simply go on selecting the music that you like. So for example, I'm just gonna go with this one. So if you're sure about the music, click on the plus icon, and as you can see that the music has been selected, and you need to arrange the music according to your photo. So in order to select the music, just click on it and then you can drag it, and then you can drag it. In case you want to change your resolution, then you can click on this arrow icon, and after that you'll be able to see this option. So you can drag it towards the right hand side or left hand side in order to maximize or minimize the resolution. Once you're done adding in a photo, now click on this arrow icon. Once it is downloaded, you can open up your TikTok application, and after that click on this plus icon and then you can upload it. So that is how you can make a photo dump on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.